is Tom Nally. It is Saturday, August 18th. I'm urban mountain biking in the metropolitan New Orleans area. It's soggy here in the neutral ground like it was last week. Riding is pretty tough, but it's alright. I'm in a low gear. I'm riding through about 2 or 3 inches of water, I guess, in certain parts. Not too bad. As long as I keep my head up, I can zigzag around some of the holes where the water's a little bit deeper. This is a suburban alley atop a drainage canal that's been boxed in with concrete. Very easy riding right here. This is a very sloppy area that I'm getting ready to go through on my ride. I might have to get off my bike and walk through water in a minute or so. Cute. This is at least 6 inches of water here. My feet are in water. It'll probably be like this most of the way. Look at that big pool to my right over there. I'm not going that way. But I don't know if this way is much better. To about 4 inches of water there. Couldn't do it without low gear, needless to say. Coming up on about 6 inches of water, it looks like. Pavement up ahead. Yay! Glad that's over. I'm at about 2.3 miles and I'm currently on pavement. This is the first time I've been able to ride at 12 miles an hour since I left my neighborhood. Feels good to do that. Bike computer, forward-facing video camera. It's all good. The cars on the left of me had a chance to splash me pretty big, and they actually showed a little more courtesy than I expected. I really didn't get wet by them. I got a little wet from water flipping off of my own front tire, but that's all. Wet streets from yesterday's rain. I'm through the wettest part of it, I think. Climbing a tiny little hill here over a canal to my left. Then I'm going to be on 8-inch deep grass for about another half mile or so. I'm at mile 5.1. I'm currently pavement riding, heading toward a Jefferson Parish Gretna Canal in about the next 3/16 of a mile or so. Then I'm going to take a left, and I think the canal bank is pretty well maintained, so it'll be good. Here we go. I'm on the canal bank now. I actually crossed on the bridge without even realizing it. Kind of soggy. I think I'll gear down in a minute. I'm Tom Nally, your wildlife videographer. I reacted too late, and so I think I missed this opportunity to film an armadillo trying to scurry away from me. But he's in that dark space underneath the remains of that concrete beam right there. I'm sure he's pretty hard to see. Let's see if I can catch him on the zoom. I'm at mile 5.8. August 18th. It's a Saturday. I'm Tom Nally. I'm working my way around to try to get to the opposite bank of the Jefferson Parish Canal that I was just on a second ago. Okay, if I can make it over this sheet pile wall up here, I'll be on the opposite side of the Jefferson Parish Canal. Here we go. There it is. Mile 6.1. I have nice houses on my left over there. Canal on my right over here. And Carol Sue Avenue in Gretna or Tarrytown, whatever the case is, about 100 yards up ahead. I'm only at 6.3 miles, but I'm going to head home. My front tire is most definitely low. I thought I had an indication of it earlier, but I didn't pay any attention, and I should probably go home before it's flat, completely flat. Camera? I'm just doing a little video.
Video?
Yeah.
What video?
Just taking a little video. I'm at about 6.6 miles. I tried to inflate my tire at a service station, but I ended up deflating it more because I couldn't get the tip of the air hose to grip around my valve stem because there was no back force on the valve stem. So now I have to walk home about 3 miles or maybe a little bit more, but it's all good. Instead of walking home, which would be about 3 miles, I think I'm going to walk to my bike shop, which is probably about 2 miles or a little bit less, have them repair it. And I happen to have a little cash on me. I don't have any credit cards, but I think I have enough cash if we can get the job done. So that's what I'm doing, walking to my bike shop. I've been walking my bike for about 2 miles total, actually a little over 2 miles, but I'm within 50 or 60 feet of my bike shop, West Bank Cyclery on Terry Parkway in Tarrytown. So they'll get me fixed up here and I'll be able to ride home, which is good because there's a storm to the south and I'd prefer not to ride in it. And here's my bike shop right up here, West Bank Cyclery. I'm away from West Bank Cyclery. It cost me about 19 bucks. Well worth it. It's starting to rain. I probably have about 6 miles to ride home, something like that. If there's no lightning, everything will be okay. I'm on residential streets just behind West Bank Cyclery on my way home. I'm at 8.7 miles. I should be home in a half hour, so